take a look for the urban living condition of Global North and Global South. Urban living conditions play a crucial role in shaping the quality of life for residents in cities around the world. The infrastructure, access to services, socioeconomic factors, and overall environment in urban areas significantly impact the well-being and opportunities available to individuals. Comparing cities from different regions provides valuable insights into the diverse challenges and successes in urban development, highlighting the disparities and similarities that exist globally. Amsterdam, Netherlands in Global North. Amsterdam, the vibrant capital of the Netherlands, is renowned for its rich history, cultural heritage, and progressive urban planning initiatives. As a leading city in the Global North, Amsterdam exemplifies modernity, sustainability, and a high quality of life for its residents. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga kilalang kanal, makaisa-isayang arkitektura at mahusbong na kultura, ang Amsterdam ay isang sentro ng katalinuhan, pagbabago at pagiging magkaiba. Ang dedikasyon ng lungsod sa pangmatagalang pagunlad, mga berdeng espasyo at epektibong sistema ng pampublikong transportation ay nagbigay sa kanya ng reputasyon bilang isang modelo ng lungsod para sa pamumuhay sa urbanong lugar sa Global North. The inner areas of Islamabad and Karachi, two major cities in Pakistan, represent the bustling urban cores where diverse communities, economic activities, and social challenges intersect. In the Global South, these cities face unique urban development issues, including informal settlements, infrastructure deficiencies, and socioeconomic disparities. Islamabad, the capital city, it's known for its planned layout, government institutions, and diplomatic presence. Karachi, the economic hub, is characterized by its vibrant markets, industrial zones, and cultural diversity. The inner areas of the cities reflect the complexity and vibrancy of urban life in the Global South.
City overview of Mumbai, India. Mumbai, the financial capital of India, is one of the largest cities in the country and a vital center for commerce, culture, and industry. However, amidst its bustling economy and a metropolitan life, Mumbai houses some of the largest and most densely populated slums in the world, such as Dharavi. This area exemplifies the stark contrast between wealth and the poverty in many cities of the Global South. The living conditions in shanty areas. The housing in Mumbai's shanty areas is characterized by informal settlements with makeshift structures. Many of these homes are made from corrugated metal sheets, plastic, and scrap wood. The houses are cramped and often lack proper ventilation, leading to hazardous living conditions. Sanitation in these areas is critically poor. Access to clean water and proper sewage system is limited. Public toilets are often the norm, but these are usually overcrowded and poorly maintained. Access to basic services. Basic services such as healthcare, education, and electricity are severely lacking. While some areas have made progress with non-governmental organizations, and the overall infrastructure remains inadequate. Personal narrative of Reina's story. Reina, a 30-year-old resident of Dharavi, shares her experience. She said, "We live in a small room with my husband and 2 children. There's no space to move around, and when it rains, the water seeps in through the roof. Every day is a struggle to find clean water and food. My children go to a local school, but the classes are so crowded that it's hard for them to learn anything." The shanty areas of Mumbai highlight the severe disparities within urban environment in the Global South. Despite the challenges, the residents of these areas demonstrate remarkable resilience and resourcefulness. Addressing these issues requires concerted efforts from the government, NGOs, and the global community to improve living conditions and provide sustainable opportunities for development.
Portland, Oregon in the United States is often associated with a progressive lifestyle, known for its environmentally conscious community, vibrant art scene, and focus on sustainability. The Portland, Oregon, nestled in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States, Portland is renowned for its progressive ethos and eclectic charm, with a thriving art scene, a commitment to sustainability, and a reputation for embracing diversity. Portland is a city that values innovation and inclusivity. From its lush green space to its bustling food carts and craft breweries, Portland offers a unique blend of urban sophistication and laid-back Pacific Northwest vibes. Highlight the progressive aspect of urban life, such as infrastructure, technology, healthcare, education, and quality of life. In Portland, progressive urban life is exemplified across multiple facets. Healthcare. Portland prioritizes access to healthcare with a robust healthcare system that emphasizes preventing care, mental health services, and holistic wellness. The city is home to world-class hospitals, research institutions, and community health centers, ensuring residents have access to comprehensive healthcare services. Education. Portland is committed to providing quality education for all residents, with a strong emphasis on public education, innovative teaching methods, and lifelong learning opportunities. The city's educational institutions, including universities, colleges, and vocational schools, contribute to a vibrant intellectual and cultural community. Quality of life. With its unique natural surroundings, vibrant cultural scene, and a strong sense of community, Portland offers a high quality of life for residents. The city prioritizes green spaces, recreational amenities, and cultural events, fostering a healthy work-life balance and sense of well-being among its diverse population.
Renewable energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower reduces reliance on fossil fuels, lowering greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. Green building. Constructing eco-friendly buildings with features like energy-efficient design, sustainable materials, and green roof reduces energy consumption and environmental impact. Public transportation. Investing in efficient public transportation system encourages the use of buses, trains, and bicycles, reducing traffic congestion, air pollution, and carbon emissions. Circular economy. Adopting circular economy principles promotes the reuse, recycling, and repurposing of resources, minimizing waste and conserving raw materials. Sustainable agriculture. Implementing practices like organic farming, crop rotation, and agroforestry enhances soil health, preserves biodiversity, and reduces
living conditions in Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam offers a mix of modern apartments, historic canal houses, and well-planned residential areas with access to amenities. The city has robust sanitation infrastructure with efficient waste management systems and clean public spaces. Residents have access to high-quality healthcare, education, public transportation, and social services. Amsterdam boasts a high standard of living, low poverty rates, and a strong social welfare system. Informal settlements and shanty areas in the cities lack proper housing infrastructure, leading to overcrowding and inadequate living conditions. Sanitation facilities are often poor, with limited access to clean water, proper toilets, and waste disposal systems. Residents in these areas face challenges in accessing quality healthcare, education, and other essential services. High levels of poverty, unemployment, and social inequality contribute to a lower quality of life for residents in these areas. Disparities in urban planning and development between the global north and south cities result from historical, economic, and governance factors. Differences in infrastructure investment, maintenance, and accessibility play a significant role in shaping the living conditions. Unequal distribution of resources, including funding for public services and social programs, contributes to disparities in quality of life. Varied policy priorities, governance structures, and approaches to urban development impact the well-being of residents in different cities. Addressing urban inequalities requires targeted policies that prioritize equitable access to housing, services, and opportunities for all residents. Promoting sustainable urban development involves integrating social, economic, and environmental considerations into planning and policy decisions. Engaging communities in decision-making processes, fostering inclusivity, and empowering residents are essential for creating resilient and vibrant urban. International cooperation, knowledge sharing, and capacity building initiatives can support efforts to enhance urban quality of life and reduce disparities globally.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the comparison between Amsterdam and the inner areas of Islamabad and Karachi highlights significant disparities in urban development, infrastructure, and quality of life between cities in the global north and global south. Addressing urban inequalities, promoting sustainable development, or prioritizing social welfare are crucial for creating inclusive, resilient, and thriving cities on a global scale. By learning from diverse urban experiences, fostering collaborations, and implementing equitable policies, we can work towards building cities that prioritize the well-being of our residents and promote sustainable urban development worldwide.